Hello guys, I'm at the lake again. I come early today so the lake is not too busy. It's starting to rain a little bit, but it's okay, I got my umbrella. I'll get it out first before I get too wet. Okay guys, very nice. Right, I got my umbrella. Let's start with my rods. I will be fishing for trout. Last time I was here fishing from the boat, but today I decided to fish from the shore. See how it goes. I got beautiful natural forest, nice grass walkway. The lake looks beautiful as well. Just get my rods ready and start fishing. I bought some new lead weights ordered from Amazon. Yeah, they're looking nice. Okay, the sun's coming out. Just have a look. This is my new lead with the lead clip and the sliding system. Looking nice, getting better. Okay, one line ready. First I will put some spring green paste and see how it goes. I'm just putting it around the hook, make a bit of a bomb-like. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's get the first rod out. Yes, one rod is out. Get another one ready. I'm using my two feeder rods as usual. Quack quack duck. Okay, another one ready. Just get the hook on. I still got some orange one left, but it's not much, maybe 2 casts. Yeah, that's it guys. Got another one ready. Let's get it out. Okay, both rods out. Now I can get ready, get my chair, get comfortable. So I got all day here. I got a new wheelbarrow for my stuff. Makes my life so much easier. Okay, I can hear first boats coming out. 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay guys, just getting my setup ready. Still no bites. Oh, got a fish. Got a fish, guys. Yes, got one. I need to get my landing net ready. Can I get it ready? It's ready. Now it's jumping from the water. Looks like a big one. Just need to land it. Need to be very careful not to give too much fight because of my hook length. Yes, nice fish. See that? How lively it is. Come in. Come on. Fighting hard. You ready? No. Ready? I think it's getting tired. Okay, come. Yes. Not. Beautiful. Okay, let's go. Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful fish. I will put it in my big landing net and I put it in the water and hopefully it will stay fresh until end of the day. Okay, that was a lovely catch. Yeah, good, yeah. How are you? Huh? No. Yeah, maybe coming. Okay, let's get this one out. Nice cast. Okay guys, started raining now. It's good, I have my umbrella. Otherwise I would be soaked in the rain. It was not supposed to rain today. I checked the forecast. It was all good, nice and sunny day. But it just started raining now. But it's okay, because I got my umbrella. The fishing nice. Let's have a look at the lake. Looking beautiful. Yeah, I see there are some guys fishing on the boats. There's one there. Yeah, it's nice and beautiful. Alright guys, the rain now really picked up. It's raining like from the bucket. I was expecting nice sunny day, beautiful weather. Oh well, what can you do about that? It's good I have my nice umbrella and I'm still enjoying it. I got one fish so far, expecting for some more, but I wouldn't want to catch it right now because it's raining. Just look at this, showing sunny weather without rain, but it is raining. Alright guys, now the weather's got much better. It's sunny and beautiful. I'm getting a suntan. So far only one fish, the one in the morning. It just got so windy, it's unbelievable. Just have a look at the lake. The waves like in the seaside. But it's a beautiful day, and where I'm sitting it's quite alright, not too much wind, but still could be much better. Had another bite not long ago. It's 2 o'clock now. I've been here since 7. Caught one fish. Alright guys, after a full day out on this beautiful lake, it all came down to one trout. The bite was tough today. The lake really made me work for it, but I caught an absolute stunner. I'm heading home to cook this beauty up for dinner. What a perfect end to a perfect day. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the adventure, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until then, tight lines, and I'll see you in the next video.